Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, we're back in the kitchen. What we're going to make today is my take on, it's kind of a hybrid between tater tot and hash brown casserole. Super simple to make as always, because you know that's how I roll. Super simple stuff. So let's start this out. Got a big mixing bowl here. I'm going to start out with 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Now you can use cream of cheddar soup, but I like the cream of chicken myself, but it's personal preference. Get all that goodness out of that can. Try to get every last drop. That's good enough. So get that off the edge there. And then we're going to do roughly a half a cup of finely chopped onion. And if you guys don't have one of these slap-a-chops, whatever you want to call it, whack-a-mole choppers, get one. I love mine. It's awesome. So let's put that in there. You want to make sure that this is finely chopped, because you don't want nobody getting a big huge chunk of onion like that one right there, you know. So get that put in there, and then the next thing is 1 stick. I think that equals out to a half a cup of melted butter. Put that in there, and then roughly 1.5 to 2 cups of shredded cheese, and I use sharp cheddar because I like sharp cheddar. You all can use whatever one you want. Now I mix this up a little bit ahead of time before I add the taters. Just to kind of make sure that I get it mixed up, to make sure I got the onion all mixed in there before you add the taters. There we go. Now I want to add some black pepper to it. And this is all to taste. So there's that. And now here comes the hybrid part. I am using potato puffs, whatever you want to call them, tater tots. But I thaw them out like a day ahead of time in the fridge. And then while they're still in the bag, I smush them up. See how they come out? Kind of nice and small there. I mean, there's still going to be some bigger chunks, but you can just break them suckers apart like that. You know, whenever you come across one, just kind of smush it up a little bit there. So, let me get my actual stirring spatula instead of that thing. Ta-da! And then just mix this stuff up. Try to get it all mixed up good and see, I think my butter was still a little bit hot. It's melted my cheese. But it'll be alright. We'll get it all in there. I'm getting stuff over my nice clean stove. That's the other thing I need. I need somebody to come over and just clean. I'll do the cooking. They can do the cleaning. Wash the dishes and do all that. I might actually have to get my hands down in here and alright, I think we're getting her mixed up pretty decent there. It don't have to be perfect. It ain't rocket science or anything like that. Alright. I think that's going to be alright. I don't see any big chunks of non-mixed up taters or anything, so God, I'm getting this stuff everywhere. Alright. Get that off of there. Let me grab a towel here. Wipe off my stove. If you're a clean cook or a skinny cook, you ain't doing something right. So, alright, there we go. Now, this is a, swap this around here. Oh, we missed a big spot. Look at that. You guys didn't even tell me I missed a spot. Alright, now this is like a 9 by 13 or, yeah, about 9 by 13, yep. Spray that sucker down with some non-stick cooking spray. And take your mixture, plop it in there, kind of like that. Spread her out. Get her out into the corners, kind of level it out some. There we go. Now, a bunch of y'all might use corn flakes or crushed up crackers or something. Me, French fried onions. Sprinkle them suckers on top. As you know, onions and taters go good together. Nice thing about it too is they make a nice snack if you got some left over. Alright, that looks kind of good. And put a little more right there. Okay. Now, of course, more cheese. Yeah, I'll put the rest of it in there. Look at that. And that was, this total was a 12-ounce bag of sharp cheddar cheese. So, alright, got all that ready to go. I'm going to fire the oven up at 350 degrees, and we'll end up baking this for about half hour, 45 minutes, somewhere in that area. Just all you got to do is just cook the potatoes, but you just want everything to get melted nice and gooey. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to shut the camera off while I do it. I don't think you guys want to sit here and watch, just watch the oven. I mean, if you want to, tell me in the comments. Next time I bake something, I'll set the camera up and just let you all watch the stove while I go do something else. But, so, yeah, we'll bring you back whenever we get this out of the oven. Alright, y'all. I forgot in that first section to mention that this is going to be a stiffer, it's not going to be a real creamy dish. If you want to make it a little creamier, you can add a second can of the cream of chicken soup. And I have also added bacon to mine sometimes. I've added chopped ham. I tried sausage once. Worked nice. Just if you're doing sausage, make sure you crumble it real fine and press as much of the oil out as possible. If not, this will become a big oily mess and just completely be like liquid. So just wanted to add that in there, and like I said, we'll bring you back when we throw it in the oven. Alright, y'all, it's been about 35 minutes. Let's go ahead and pull this out. It should be done. Oh yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. Alright, y'all. Unfortunately, today is Thanksgiving, and this dish is going to a gathering, small gathering, family gathering, and so I won't be able to do a taste test for you unless after I get there and talk to them, and if anybody wants to do a live taste test and tell me what you think, or tell you guys what they think, maybe we'll try that. If not, hopefully there'll be a little bit of leftovers and I can show you all what it looks like. Yeah, thank you all for watching, and checking out the channel and watching what I'm cooking here. And as always, if it wasn't for you all watching them, I wouldn't be making them. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget about my weekly Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Y'all stop in. We chat about everything. We chat about, cooking, food, talk about tractors, small engines, big engines, car repairs, truck repairs. We talk about just about everything. So until the next time, y'all, take it easy. Get out there and do some cooking, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Alright, y'all. Little bonus footage here. We're over here at Mom's. It's Thanksgiving Day. We got all kinds of yummy food here. Not just what I had. Of course, Brother's cutting up the turkey. Say hi, brother.
Hi, brother.
Yeah, doing a great job of it. Mom's going to be the guinea pig here for the taters. Honest opinion, what do you think?
Good. Yeah, very good.
Yeah. See, Mom won't lie. So, we even got some mashed taters over here.
She's working on it.
We got some green beans here. A little bit of cranberry salad. So, all right, y'all. Thank you for stopping by. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. We'll check y'all on the next one. Bye.